emphatic listening, I asked you what is the difference between empathy and sympathy. Remember? Huh? What is the difference between empathy and sympathy? What is the difference between empathy and sympathy? I asked a very simple question. Sympathy, sympathy, sympathy. We use it every day. What is the difference in sympathy and empathy? Hmm. No. Then what is pressure? What is stress? No. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Fine. Good. So sympathy is to be kind, to be kind with someone. दया भावना दिखाना. Hi, बेचारा, the poor man. Understand? That is sympathy. And empathy is to be in shoes of others. To be in shoes of others means दूसरे की जगह पे अपने आप को रख के देखना. That is empathy. Understand? Yeah. So emphatic listening is suppose uh, Parul is in depression. Think of it. Parul is in depression. Now Mamta will go and say, okay, भैया जितना रोना है रो ले. Understand? Listening to the problems of others is emphatic listening. To empty the pitcher of the speaker. Pitcher means किसी के problems का जो मटका है pitcher उसको बाहर निकालना. आपने कहीं मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था आप लोगों को अगर आपको याद है तो अ, अ, किसी की डेथ हो गई. ठीक है वो कई लोग होते हैं जो बोलते नहीं है. दे डोंट स्पीक एट ऑल. राइट. तो क्या बोलते हैं उसको इसको रुलाओ. जितना रुलाओगे उतना ये रिलैक्स फील करेगी. जब वी मेट देखी होगी आप लोगों ने. होप यू पीपल सॉ जब वी मेट व्हेन व्हाट वाज हिज नेम. सैफ अली खान. नो. हु वाज दैट. शाहिद कपूर. हाँ. शाहिद कपूर योर फेवरेट. राइट. तो शाहिद कपूर ने क्या बोला था. जितनी गालियां दे सकती है दे दे उसको. रिमेंबर. रिमेंबर जितनी गालियां देनी है दे दो फोन करके. क्या हुआ था उससे. आफ्टर आफ्टर स्पीकिंग अ लॉट वो सारा क्या हुआ. वो जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स थी जितने भी मेंटल प्रेशर था वो सब बाहर आ गया. तो जब हम किसी के मेंटल प्रेशर किसी की प्रॉब्लम्स को सुनते हैं उससे सामने वाला बंदा रिलैक्स फील करता है. हम उसको बोलते हैं एम्फेटिक लिसनिंग. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल एम्फेटिक लिसनिंग. उसको हम लोग एम्फेटिक लिसनिंग बोलते हैं. लिसनिंग टू द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सफरिंग्स ऑफ अदर्स टू एम्प्टी देयर पिक्चर सो दैट टू मेक देम फील रिलैक्स. That is emphatic listening. I hope it is clear. Good. So active listening, listening, paying attention to it. Critical listening, listening and to judge someone, looking into their advantages or disadvantages. Third one is emphatic listening. What was emphatic listening? Listening to the sufferings and problems of others. What is the fourth one? What was the fourth one? Active listening. Fine. Critical listening, emphatic listening. There was one more. One more. Remember? There was one more. I gave you those chori wale notes also. Where is that? Okay. Even I don't remember right now. So let me know if you remember. I mean, there was one active listening, critical listening, emphatic listening, and one more was there. Uh, okay, whatever. Fine. Let's come to listening process. Listening process. Uh, what was there in the listening process? What was there in the listening process? Hearing, right? First of all, we sense. Huh? The first step is we sense. We sense something. Okay, what else? What else? After hearing, what do we do after hearing? Analyzing. Okay. What do we analyze? What do we analyze? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Any noise. I mean, for example, you're sitting in your room, okay, and suddenly you get a noise from outside. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. How did you come to know that the dog is barking? By hearing, by sensing. First you sense.